In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Venmo over to PayPal. So both of these are kind of finance and payments apps where you can send money back and forth, do peer-to-peer payments or business transactions. Now I have both of these apps open right now. You can see at PayPal, there's a balance at the top of the screen. Mine is $172. And Venmo, there's also a balance up here towards the top of the screen, $150 in my Venmo right now. And I want to transfer money from Venmo over to PayPal. So there's not necessarily a direct way to do this, but I'm going to show you how you can essentially do an instant transfer. So I'm going to tap the transfer button. Now we can select instant, and that's going to give us a $2.62 fee, or we can just do 1 to 3 business days. And for this method, we don't really even need the instant transfer, so I'm just going to keep it on 1 to 3 business days. I'm going to change the amount at the top of the screen. Well, let's do $25 for this example. I'm going to tap transfer $25. Transfer initiated, and now those funds are on their way over to my bank account. But no worries, we can instantly transfer that money over to PayPal. So up here at the top of the screen, we want to tap on our PayPal balance. Like I said, mine is $172. And now I can just tap add money from bank or card. I'm going to tap on the $25 amount. You can also type whatever amount that you want in that spot. Now I can do this instantly in seconds with a debit card, or I could select a bank, and that's going to take 3 to 5 days. So let's just do the instant option from our debit card here. And you can see there's going to be no fees on this as well. So I'm just going to tap add $25 now. $25 added, money incoming, look out for it in your balance. So it refreshes there, and now I have $197 in my PayPal balance here. We can also go back to the home screen, and you saw that refreshed as well. $197 there at the top of the screen in the PayPal balance. So there you go, how to instantly transfer money from Venmo over to PayPal. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.